soggy. Soggy packet. It's a soggy packet. I broke my nail off. Let's see.
Oh yeah.
My YouTube channel. This is how my natural nails usually look, and I break it off. I don't remember how. It might have been in gym when somebody threw a tennis ball at me. And I can't catch because I am enough. And you didn't get what that means because you have two young.
Nat.
No. I mean, sure. Let's go with that word. So now we're gonna add the butter.
This is gonna go on YouTube, and you're gonna get me to demonetize.
How do you get demonetized if you're not?
If you swear in a video, then it gets taken down, basically, and you can't make money off of it.
I didn't swear though.
Will I get demonetized if I say frick? Maybe, we'll see.
How often does David Dobrik get demonetized? A lot?
How many times does Lauren's side get demonetized? A
I
lot.
doubt David Dobrik ever gets demonetized because he's rich as Frechnacci, and if you don't make any money from him, then and he swears and does bad stuff in every video, so.
Oh yeah, this YouTuber Lauren Seaside, she got demonetized for doing cute dog videos. She got demonetized on the video. She didn't make any money off of them, so she had to stop the series because, well, she basically stopped the series because she wasn't making any money off of it.
Oh, noise. Stop filming yourself like that.
Hello.
Lily, move your iPad. Move your iPad lower.